Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Forester versus RAV4. We'll start by looking at their performance, where the Forester offers 182 horsepower compared to the RAV4 203 horsepower. The Forester comes standard with all-wheel drive, a key advantage for many drivers, while the RAV4 offers it as an option. We'll also touch on their fuel efficiency and how their engines perform in daily driving scenarios, giving you a clear picture of their power. Moving inside, both the Forester and RAV4 offer impressive interiors with modern technology. You'll find touchscreens up to 8 inches, providing easy access to infotainment and navigation. Each vehicle also includes a comprehensive suite of standard safety technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. We'll also compare the overall material quality and design aesthetics. When it comes to the driving experience, the Forester often provides a smoother, more comfortable ride, while the RAV4 tends to feel a bit sportier and more agile. For those who venture off the beaten path, the Forester boasts 7 inches of ground clearance, a significant advantage. We'll also discuss the overall value proposition, considering factors like resale value and long-term maintenance costs for both models. Finally, let's talk reliability. Both the Subaru Forester and Toyota RAV4 generally receive strong reliability ratings, offering peace of mind for owners. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The Forester excels with its standard all-wheel drive and off-road capability, while the RAV4 offers more horsepower and a slightly sportier feel. Consider what matters most for your daily drives and adventures. And hey, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.